Hi everyone, I'd like to share something I've been working on. This is SunshineRiggie, a small Maya rigging helper toolkit I originally built for myself to speed up everyday tasks. It's not meant to replace big rigging systems. It's more like a lightweight set of tools that sits alongside and helps with the small things you do all the time. Right now it includes a renamer, joint Orient tool, matrix-based and standard constraint setup, and a quick Rivet tool. It's simple, fast, and designed around real production workflows. The tool is completely free to use, but if you find it helpful and want to support further development, you can do that as well. It's totally optional. I'll keep improving it over time, adding more tools as I go. Hopefully you'll find it useful. Feel free to drop me a line if you have an idea and wish to add some functionality to this tool. Thanks.